Now let's move to the tarsus, or the tarsal bones, the bones that form the back of the foot and the ankle. One trick that really helps here is this. The names of the tarsal bones describe their shapes. If you understand their names, the anatomy becomes much easier to remember. Let's start with the talus. The word talus comes from Latin, meaning ankle or knuckle bone. And that makes sense because it's the most superior tarsal bone and forms the ankle joint. The talus articulates with the tibia and fibula. Notice the smooth, dome-shaped surface on the top called the trochlea. This surface extends onto the medial and lateral sides, showing that the tibia and fibula don't just sit on top of the talus, they actually clamped onto it from the sides. Now look at the head of the talus, the most anterior part. This surface articulates with the navicular bone. Next is the calcaneus, the largest and most posterior of the tarsal bones. The name comes from Latin for heel bone. The talus sits directly on top of it. This is the bone you feel as your heel. If you follow the Achilles tendon, you'll feel it attaching to the back of the calcaneus at the calcaneal tuberosity. On the medial side, just beneath the talus, is a shelf-like projection called the sensitaculum tali, and the name literally means support the talus. It does exactly that, while also creating space for tendons to pass into the foot. When the talus and calcaneus come together, they form a tunnel running from anterior lateral to posterior medial. The opening of this tunnel is called the sinus tarsi. We'll introduce the rest of the tarsal bones in the next video.